Hi, Richard Muse, Property Result Investments here. As you know, since then the COVID restrictions have got a little tougher. Not really affecting us as a business. We're still going out and viewing properties like we're able to do that as a business, but we have to be on our guard. We have to be very, very careful. And believe it or not, through October we've had quite a lot of properties come in, mainly this last 2 weeks, and we've just listed quite a few on our website last week, and we've got inquiries already. I will be emailing investors later today with what we've got available. I think we've got about 7 or 8 new ones on there, some really, really nice deals. Just to go through them, we've actually got one in Jesmond. Now Jesmond, is something you might know, is the leafy area of Newcastle upon Tyne. A lot of it is student accommodation. This is a private residential accommodation. It is the flat, it is let, and it's achieving about an 8% yield. Now the beauty of this, the owner lives down south. The figures on what they're worth all day long is £120,000 plus. We've got this for sale at £98,000. Really, really good deal. Sunderland, nice 3-bed masonette we've got for sale. It's all just been refurbished, got a tenant in on a contract till 2022. It's about a 9% yield. Nice steady investment, nothing to do to the masonette. It's all been refurbished, replastered out, new kitchen, new bathroom. And this is going to be a nice armchair investment for somebody. And there's a lot of equity in there. The price is $65,000. The market value is $80,000 all day long. So that one's going to be a good deal. Now then, we've got 2 flats in Ashington, upstairs, downstairs, have to be sold separately. That's not to say you can buy them both, but they have to be cash purchases. They're £27,000 each, which, as you imagine, is very, very low for that area. And also the yield's about 14%. One of the tenants has been in 7 years. A lovely flat. Now these are a really good investment for you to get in on the ground at the low rate, under £30,000. Real good opportunity and a real good return. Next one, Bishop Auckland. We've got a lovely property coming there. A 3-bed end of terrace in Camden. Now this up for sale with an agent since I think about August. Too much money. The vendors actually, we sold them a property, another property in Camden, and they've come to us to sell it. And obviously we've agreed a lot lower price. We've actually got it on at $35,000. It was on with the agent at nearly 46. It's in beautiful condition. It'll let at 425 all day long, and that's going to be a 14% yield. A lovely end terrace in a decent location. Next one's Hartlepool. That's where I'm going after this video. I've got one to see a semi-detached that needs a bit of work, so this could be a buy, refurb and flip for somebody if we get it. I've also got to go and see another terrace property where the tenants left, and the landlady is looking to sell. Now, great yields again down there. That's a 2-bed, so I don't really know what condition it's in. Also in Hartlepool, we've got one that's come back to the market, believe it or not. The buyer pulled out after 2 months. And this is the reason why you might ask where we pay, ask for a deposit for the buyer's premium for our fees, because in most cases we underwrite the vendor's legal fees as part of the deal, and we have to pay that. And what's happened is that this lady's decided to pull out, just not for her. Unfortunately, she's forfeited a deposit. I've got to find another buyer. I don't like these situations because we have to placate the vendor that she's not very happy at all, but it does happen. It does happen. I've no doubt that we will find another buyer for that pretty quickly, because like I said, it's going out on an email. As far as another deal we've got called lease option. Lovely lease. Well, it's not an option actually. It's a lease on 13 properties in Sunderland, all above commercial, but actually sold out pretty quickly. Lease options are massively in demand, massive. And this one had about, I think it was £2,500 or £3,000 cash flow a month, 10 years, no option to buy, but you know, a great opportunity for somebody to get on the ladder and get some cash in. And you know, 13 properties, that's great. For I think we sold for 25,000. Now you imagine trying to get the 5,000 return, which you'll get actually 30,000 a year gross off this, so you'll still get your investment back. Great deal, that, great deal. So that's all I've got for now. Generally the market's pretty good. We're getting properties coming in all the time, and there's our investors, a lot of you out there still buying, so it's all looking good. If you want to have a chat anytime, you've got my details below, just give me a bell, no obligation whatsoever. Thank you.